Remya, Mom, I want to install Python, but I don't know how to install it.
You don't worry, Bunny. I'm there to help you. I will tell you what you have to do to install Python into your system. Okay, you just follow as I do.
So see, what you need to do is, first of all, you can see the screen, right? So here you can see it's a Chrome browser, right? So here you have to simply type for Python download. That's it, nothing else. Okay, simply type those two words, Python download. Right now press enter. After pressing enter, you will get many links like this. You have to choose the first link. Okay, what is written over there? Download Python. And when you will click over this link, you will be moved to the interface of the official website of Python Software Foundation. Right here, you can see there is a yellow button. Okay, so yellow button, what is written over there? Download Python 3.12.6. So simply click over there. Okay, now a file got downloaded into your system. You can see here it is coming like this, Python 3.12.6. Okay, you can find the same file in your downloads also. So we can get from there because in different system there will be a slight variation in the interface and all. So let us directly go to our downloads where you can find the same file. This is the .exe file of Python. Okay, and through that you can install your Python software into your system. Right now, let us go to this folder button. Okay, and there you can see something called download is there. Click over downloads. Now you can see the same file that we have downloaded right now. Okay, simply double click over that particular .exe file. Okay, you can minimize this folder. Okay, so after double clicking over that particular file, what you're getting? You're getting a dialog box like this where it is written like install Python 3.12.6. What you need to do is you have to mark these two checkboxes so that your path and everything is set, and you can click over the first option that is coming over here, install now. You can customize installation too, but that will be a lengthy process. Directly you can go with install now, that is fine. Okay, now slowly all the setup files regarding your Python software 3.12.6 will get loaded into your system. Okay, it will take some time. And after doing this process, let me explain you so that you can understand whatever I will do after it. Right? So after this, what you need to do is you have to simply go to command prompt of your system. Okay, there is a particular platform called command prompt, right? So you have to go over there. Okay, you have to check the version of your Python, the file, whatever setup you have done, whether it went correct or not. You have to verify that. You can check the version whether it is 3.12.6 or not. Okay, after checking that particular thing, what you need to do is you have to install Jupyter Notebook into your system. Okay, it is a particular platform where you can easily do all the coding related to Python. Okay, so these two things are necessary. First, you have to install the setup file, then you can go with Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so yeah, now let us click over close. Okay, our downloading everything is done, installing and everything is done. Now we can check whether it got installed properly or not. So for that, you can see there is a search bar in our system. Just after the start button, you can see a search bar. Click over there and there you can find something called command prompt. Okay, if it is not appearing in your system, you can find it by simply going through this search bar. You can simply write like command prompt. Okay. And now what you need to do is click over command prompt. What is coming over here? There is a black box, right? Okay, don't get afraid. Simply write over there Python. Okay, simply write Python, right? Hyphen version. Okay, simply to check whether you are getting the same version or not. Okay, just to verify. So what you are getting, it is written like Python 3.12.6, isn't it? Okay, now what you can do is you can install Jupyter Notebook into your system. How you can do that? You can simply write like pip. What you need to write? Pip install Jupyter, okay, Notebook, right? So we are done with it. What is written over here? Pip install Jupyter Notebook. So it is not the planet Jupyter. Okay, spelling is slightly different. Jupyter Notebook, right? So now press enter. When you will press enter, all the required file will get loaded into your system like this. Okay, so everything is done. You are having Jupyter Notebook into your system. Now let us see whether how we can actually get the interface of it. So for that, you have to simply write Jupyter Notebook. That's it. Okay, you're simply calling it. That's it. Jupyter Notebook. Simple. Okay. After writing Jupyter Notebook, you have to press enter. Okay, when you will press enter, you will be moved to the default browser, default web browser of your system. Okay, so here, yeah, you can simply set it as your default web browser, and there you can see different files are there. These are the files that is there in your system. Okay, now from the next class, I will tell you how you can use Jupyter Notebook. So stay tuned. Okay, this is how you can install Python. Python file, Python software into your system, as well as you can get a friendly environment to do the entire coding process that is called Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so stay tuned with this playlist so that you can understand Python in a better way.
Thank you so much, Remya Mom. Now I will start learning Python.
You're welcome, Bunny. So children, if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel to get more videos like this, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, have a nice day, sayonara.